Welcome back to the shop. Dave here. We are working on an 09 Mercedes-Benz SL 550 today. Just doing some quick service. We diagnosed a cracked wheel on that front wheel in the last little video. These are just little short videos because these are little quick short repairs. So this thing's got a message with a marker light out, or parking light. It says right parking light out, which it illuminates a little bit in there. There's a small little bulb in there. It's in the high beam area. So they take these little 2825s, little tiny peanut bulb that pushes in. It's got a little interesting way it goes in. If you look directly behind your high beam, there's a cover. Okay, I've already taken it off. It's this little cover here. So you just unscrew it, just like a little quarter turn pops out, and you reach in and you'll find this little plastic lever there, and it holds the bulb in the other end, and it just pushes down. It kind of goes down and in like that. I didn't see any other videos on YouTube about how to change that parking bulb. It's not hard. It just kind of pulls out. The wiring was kind of keeping me from pulling it out, so I had to flip the wiring around inside of there because it's a pretty long little, you got to yank it out like that, or not yank it, it just slides right out. So get your bulb out and just, I don't know if you can see that, but it just pushes right in this way. See, just right at the end of the holder there, and you just kind of, it's very hard to film this, but there's a hole down in the bottom. You kind of fish around for it. Okay, so there it is. It's just directly below, the bulb goes in directly below the high beam bulb in a little hole. It just slides down in. That's it. Directly below the high beam. And just kind of fish it down there. I turned the parking light on when the bulb's in that little holder, so I have me a little light to see the hole that goes in. And don't know if I just service. I did a B service on this, so I've got to clear the service light, and I'll make sure the indicator's out for that. And like I said, we did a video just how to find a leak. If you got a slow leak or a fast leak or any leak in a tire, we did a little video on that. We found it on that one. It was a crack in the rim on the inside lip. So I took that off and sent it to a repair shop that specializes in repairing aluminum wheels. They welded that up. They TIG welded it from the inside and the outside, and remounted the tire and balanced it for me. So I'm about to go drive it, make sure everything feels good. But that's it. Quick little video on how to change that parking light bulb in the front. 2009 SL 550. Give it a like if you got anything from that. Appreciate you watching. Tune in for my other videos. Have a good day.